Hello. Today what we are going to do, we are going to go over the main parts of a stem. We're going to go over the parts of a stem. So if you look closely, we have the stem. Okay? We have the stem. And what we are going to do today is we are going to explore the stem by naming its important parts. Okay? One of the important parts, if you look over here, I don't know if you're able to see that, but that is known as a leaf scar. Right over here. That's known as a leaf scar. That is a leaf scar. And if you can look closely, these are also leaf scars. Okay? And if you look, this word, here's our magic E. We have our node. Our node. Remember when you add an E to the end of the word? If you add an E to the end, it takes on the middle vowel, takes on that long vowel sound. We have a node. So I want to show you all the nodes on this leaf here, or on this stem over here. Here's a node. And here's a node. And here's a node. Okay? Those are all nodes. Okay? And then, in addition to the nodes, we have what is known as an internode. So if you look over here, we have this node and we have this node over here. This space in between the two nodes are known as an internode. Okay? So again, we have the node right over here, and we have a node right over here. And so this space right over here is known as the internode. Okay? We also have what is known as the angle or the axle. And if you look over, for example, here, this right over here, this is known as an angle or an axle. Okay? And this right over here, this little V shape that's made, that is known as an angle or axle. Okay? And then finally, we have the terminal bud. And if you look at the top of this, I don't know if it's going to come out clearly, but if you look at the top of this and you open it up, you might be able to see a little tiny bud that's forming. Okay? And that little tiny bud that's forming, that's known as a terminal bud. So those are the parts of a stem. And maybe what you can do as a work today is you could go outside and explore all the stems that are in your neighborhood or in your backyard. And you can also point out the different parts of a stem. Okay,